Give me a few seconds and I'll show you how to make tea faster, safer, and way more stylish. Waiting forever for water to boil is the worst. And don't even get me started on kettles that overheat or spill everywhere. The Chefman Glass Electric Kettle fixes all that. It boils water in just 3 minutes with 1,500 watts of power. It's cordless, has auto shutoff, and blue LED lights that glow while heating. Plus, the glass and stainless steel design? Total kitchen upgrade. If you want fast, safe, and sleek, this is it. Hit the link in the description.